Hey everyone, Chef Leroy here, and welcome to my channel. Well, I like to do reviews on food items that I buy, and I definitely like pizza, frozen pizza, and I know I've had some comments about my videos about frozen pizza. And if you come home from working, which I just got home a little bit ago, the last thing I want to do is make pizza dough. It's time consuming and I'm hungry. So that's one of the reasons I just use frozen pizza. I like them. And I'm not ashamed to say that. So that's my take on frozen products. And also, if people weren't buying frozen pizzas, they wouldn't be in grocery stores. So that's another thing. Okay, I bought an item just recently here, and this is from Costco. It's Chef Hack's organic roasted rainbow carrots with a maple Dijon glaze. Never seen these before. It's the first time. I'll open up the package and show you what it looks like. I don't know that I will use the maple Dijon glaze. I don't know that I'm going to taste it, but I don't know if I'm going to use it. And the other thing is, these are actually full length carrots, so I'm going to cut them down to go along with a meal. But anyway, I'll get the camera down and you can see what they look like. I'll take it out of the box. I like the bottom here. It says, "Your everyday personal chef." These are pretty cool. I got to admit, I've used rainbow carrots in the past, but usually they're fresh. The packaging is nice, but again, wouldn't it be nice if you just could get this package at the store instead of this big old box? I mean, can't they put a label on here and you'd be good to go? I don't know. Whatever it is, what it is. So this is him right here. So Chef Sharon Hackman. They look really good. They are an heirloom, organic heirloom carrot. I'm gonna cut the plastic off here. I'm gonna take the smell test. They smell good. You can see the oil in the bag. It's kind of solidified a little bit. There's a couple orange ones in there, and some purples and some white. Yellow a little bit, yellow white. Yeah. Well, my idea is to cut them up. Okay, so they do have oil on them, but I'm going to use my Hex-Clad pan, and I'm just going to hit it with a little bit of canola oil spray. And just like that. I'm probably going to saute the carrots with a little bit of onion. I think that would be super awesome. Maybe even just a little bit of garlic. Let's go ahead and cut them. My favorite knife. And that's how they look. So cut them on a bias, and they're about a quarter to a half inch thick. Just toss them right into the pan. And continue. All right, I got my pan on the stove. I've got it at a medium-high temperature. This pan heats up very fast on induction, so you don't have to wait too much. And then what I'm going to do is I've got my pepper mill here. This is my sur la table pepper mill. I love this crank mill. This thing's awesome. I'm going to go ahead and get a couple cranks of pepper in there. Crank mill, I've got a little bit of mixed salt, some Himalayan salt. There's smoked salt in here. I've got a few different kinds of salt in this one. Go ahead and give that a couple cranks, just like that. So you can take something like that that's a prepared product and you can actually enhance it by doing other things to it. Now there are other vegetables we could add to this. We could even maybe cut the carrots, like cut down the carrot amount and do half that package, and then just do it with some other vegetables like broccoli or cauliflower. Yeah, I mean that's pretty cool. Or maybe potatoes. It'd be really awesome with like sweet potatoes would be great with this, because carrots and sweet potatoes go really well together. There you go. I could go ahead and throw my cover on top like this just to get that pan even hotter, and those carrots will be just unbelievable. I put a few threads of saffron on here too. There's like you can see that one of the threads right there in that carrot. So a little bit more here. So I had just, you know, whatever, you know, just elevate your dish, right? There's some saffron right there. This would be excellent also with cabbage. I'm telling you right now, if you did braised cabbage with these carrots, that would be flipping phenomenal. All right, guys. Well, that's what I've got for you today on this product here. Again, it's roasted rainbow carrots with the maple Dijon glaze from Chef Hicks or Hex. I'm not sure how he pronounces his name. I just showed you a little bit different twist on how I did them. I think you can do it whichever way you like. Again, I got this product at Costco. You know, Costco kind of rotates a lot of products in and out, so you may or may not find it at your Costco. Look for it, give them a try. I'll show you at the end of my cooking and everything I'm doing with this dish. I'll show you a picture of how I served this today. Okay. But if you like the video, hit the like button. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed up to this point. Subscriptions just let you know when I've dropped the video out there. You guys have a fantastic day. Chef Leroy, and I'm out.